If you need to remove a card from your US bank account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the US Bank website or open the mobile app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the card you want to remove. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, locate the section for managing your cards. This is usually found under Accounts or Card Services. Click on the appropriate option to proceed. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the Card Management section, you will see a list of your cards. Identify the card you wish to remove and select it to view more options. Step 4. Choose the Remove option. After selecting the card, look for an option that says Remove, Delete, or Close Card. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm removal. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to remove the card. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal. Ensure you receive a confirmation message indicating that the card has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily remove a card from your US bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to US Bank customer support for assistance.